To have more access on the bolts of the rocker cover, so you have to remove all this stuff, the hoses, the intake pipe, this bracket. So quite big job. And now you have a little bit room for the rocker cover. Remove the exhaust shield here so that you have more access for these nuts all around, 4 nuts to remove this exhaust so that you have more room for the bolts with this in this area. So take up all this one as well and sitting here so that you have more room later to remove this rocker cover. Cut converter is removed. Now you have access there now for the bolts. All the bolts are out. Now we're ready to remove the rocker cover. Now it's shaking, ready to take it up. Remove all the bolts in the exhaust so that you can pry this one. So pry the exhaust manifold and pull this one so that you have a room to remove the rocker cover. Remove this intake, this throttle valve as well, so that you have more on this one to go up. Throttle valve is removed and room for the rocker cover to remove. Now rocker cover is out. A bit tricky. Now it's ready to clean the engine and clean this rocker cover as well. Tricky job. Rocker cover is in. New sealant all around. Here, new sealant. So ready to chuck in the whole engine